Xin chào, hello, good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, xin chào. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, that's great to hear. By the way, I'm teacher Giselle. What is your name?
My name is Lian.
Okay, hi Duan. Nice meeting you. So are you ready today?
Yes.
Okay. Now can I see a big smile like this? Okay. So since you're ready, we're gonna start our lesson. So can you read this title
The long, the long sprout
again? The lost.
tail.
It's
The long sprout tail.
okay. Now let's say again this word. It's bow, bow
Tail.
tie.
Brow tie.
Okay. Do you know what is bow tie and bow tie? Do you know what it is? This one. This is a bow tie. Like you put it here on your neck, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, on the title, it says the loss, meaning to say the bow tie is lost. It's gone. Okay? So let's proceed now to our reading. But first, let's identify these two animals. What are these? Do you know what's this? It's
It's a mouse and
and
a rabbit.
okay, very good. So it's a mouse and a rabbit with the bow tie. Very good. And now here, okay, on throughout our lesson, we're gonna know what are these following terms. So you have there the bow tie, the word visit, the word disappoint, and had to. And of course, we're gonna talk about, can you read this one?
Grandma nose.
Okay, do you know what is noun? And not yet? No? Do you know this one? This word? No? Yes
No.
or no? Oh no, I see. So teacher will teach you what are nouns. So let's continue here on this part. But first we have to, okay, teacher will read the question. Do you have a favorite item of clothing? So these are clothing, clothing. How would you feel if you lost it? Say, for example, do you know what is this? And what's this? It's a,
Hat. Hat.
okay, very good. That is a hat or a cup. Now, what's this? Same, it's a,
Hat.
okay. Or we also name that one as, okay, can you read this? Wait a minute. Teacher will type wool hat. Okay. Say the word. What's this?
It's
Wo-
a wool hat.
Okay. Now we use this one during winter when it's very cold. Okay. So we're gonna use that one instead of using this one. Okay. Got it? And got it? Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How about this one? And do you know this? What's that? It's a.
Rose.
It's again. It's a.
Rose.
Oh, gloves. Very
It's a rose.
okay, very good. It's a gloves. Very good. How about this one? Do you know what is this? It's a stick
Yes.
stick.
It's
Yeah.
a what?
Okay, very good. It's a watch. Do you have a watch? Do you have it? Do you have?
Yes.
Yeah, can you show teacher where is your watch? Oh, I see. Okay, very good. Oh, I
It's
like it.
here.
Oh, I like your watch. It's color black. It's good on you, and by the way. Okay, now how about this? Do you know what's this? You put it on around your neck. What's that?
Is a
Is
scarf.
okay, very good. That is a scarf. Okay, so we wear this one on winter also, together with the wool hat and the gloves. Now onto the last thing or object. Do you know what's this? Like you put it here on your wrist. What's that? It's a
Is a
go on. Hmm. It's a I'm thinking, teacher. Okay, teacher will write the answer and you're gonna read it, okay? It's a wristband. Okay, now can you say the word?
yes,
Yeah.
I can.
Okay, go on.
Wristband.
Okay, very good. So that is a wrist, meaning to say we wear that on our wrist on this part, like your watch. Okay, so your watch is a wrist watch. Okay, very good. Now among these clothes, for example, and what do you feel if you lost your watch? What do you feel? Do you feel maybe you can feel sad, angry, happy, or what? If you lost your watch, what will you feel?
Mm,
You will feel,
happy.
huh? You will feel happy?
Happy.
Hmm? Are you sure? Okay. Now when we say, for example, okay, I have also my watch. This one, I have a watch. Okay. So, for example, my watch is like, it's gone. It's lost. And then I feel so, okay, what is my feeling? Am I happy or sad? Like that. Am I happy or sad?
And
What do I
sad.
feel? Oh, yeah. So that's should you feel when you lost your favorite object? You feel sad. Okay. Now this time, let's move on here. Let's prepare. Okay. Now, late earlier, we have encountered this one. Again, and what are these? These are, okay, you will say.
Dear.
Okay, again, bow tie. One more time. Bow.
Bro is bro time.
Okay, very good. So those, okay, you will say those are bow tie. Okay, again.
Those are bro ties.
Okay, very good. Now, can you circle the red bow tie? Where is the red bow tie? Okay, you can do it. Circle the red bow tie. Okay, very good. So that is our red bow tie. So can we read this word? Okay, let's read the.
Bro tie.
Okay, this one. The red.
The red bro tie is my favorite.
Okay, very good. It's my favorite. Okay. Now, how about what are these colors? Okay, what is the color of this bow tie? It's color.
Is color blue.
Okay, very good. How about this one? It's color.
Is color white.
Okay, very good, Dan. Now, mm-hmm. So here, let's pronounce first this word. So visit is two syllables. Okay, let me type first. Two, mhm, two syllable. two syllable. Okay, so we read that one like this. This, okay, copy teacher. This, visit,
Vis
sit.
visit.
Okay, very good. So those are um visit have two syllable, meaning to say you can pronounce it by two. Visit. Okay. Now let's read the sentence.
The dog visits his boyfriend.
Okay, again. The dog
The dog
visits.
visits visits his boyfriend.
Okay. Best. Best.
Bath.
Okay, very good. Now, do you know what is visit and do you know what's this word? The word visit. Do you know what's this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So say for example, okay, so you know what is visit. So can you say what is visit? Can you explain to teacher like you can give an example? Okay, what is visit?
Visit.
Yeah, okay, for example, yeah. For example, what does the dog doing? He is what is he
The
doing? The dog is
he is visits.
okay.
The
Okay,
dog
so
is visits.
okay, so the dog is visiting his best friend. Now, when we say visit, and so take note this one, write this one on your notes. Write it. Visit is if you're going to, okay, let me type first. To go,
Visits.
yeah, visit, to go to see, to go to see, in order to see, okay, to go to see someone someone, or something. Okay, so that is our go or like to stay, to stay. Okay, so again, and that is the meaning of visit. Okay, can we read the word or the definition of visit? Go on. To go. This one, this
To
one.
go
To go
to
to
go to see some to see someone or something.
or
Stay
okay,
or
stay.
stay.
Okay, very good. So that is the word visit. Now, I have a one question on this part. Let's read this one. Let's read. Okay, can you read it?
Who do you often visit the weekend?
Okay, can you understand the question? Who do you often visit on
Yeah,
weekends? Okay. Where do you go on weekend? Like on Saturday and Sunday, and where do you go? Like, do you go to your friend? Do
um,
you go to your grandma or grandpa? Or where? Or do you go to the mall? Okay, what do you
I
do on
often
mm-hmm.
uh,
Go- Ah,
beach.
you often go to okay, again. Say the sentence. I
I often visit
visit where?
at beach.
Okay. Okay, I often visit the beach. Okay, the beach.
The the beach.
Okay, very good. Oh, so you really you like swimming at the beach? Swimming? Do you like swimming and like this?
Swimming and with a sandcastle.
Oh, I see. Play sandcastle. Do you know how to do sandcastle or to build? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, very good. Good for you. And now this one. Let's read first the sentence. It.
Which it is been
Okay, teacher will say disappoints.
disappoint
Disappoints. Okay, very good. Okay, one more time. It disappoints. Go on.
is disappoint the teacher that the student score zero on the test.
Oh, now what is he feeling? The emotion the teacher is?
Disappoint
Okay, so he is disappointed. Why is he disappointed? And why? Because,
because
okay, think, think. Why is he disappointed? You can read it on this part, on the sentence. You can find the answer. Why is the teacher disappointed? Because the student, okay, go on.
the student score score zero on the test.
Yes, very good. So the teacher is very disappointed because his student scored zero. Have you experienced this one? Do you got zero on your test? And do you got a
No,
zero? Oh, very good. So meaning to say, do you got a perfect score sometimes? Perfect. 100. Like you got 100 score, like perfect score on test. Have you experienced that? You got 100 out of 100? Yes or no? Not
um,
not yet.
yes,
I see. But at least you don't get or you don't got a zero on the test. So that's still good. Okay? Now, mm-hmm. So let's answer the question. This one. Kindly read.
has something ever disappointed you?
Okay, yeah. So if we read or know the definition or the meaning of disappoint and okay, teacher will type. Do you know what is disappoint word? Do you know what it is? It's do you know what's
Is
this?
met someone
Feel
feel unhappy?
okay. Now, do you experience that you make someone unhappy? Feel unhappy? Have you done that one? Like for example, do you have you experienced like your parent is disappointed on you? Have you experienced that? No or yes? Like they feel unhappy of what you've done. Have you experienced that?
Unhappy?
Yeah. Have you experienced this one? Like, for example, like you bully your friend. So does it make your parent unhappy? Like bullying? Do you know what is bully?
Yes.
Okay, what is bully, by the way? Bully. Yeah, bully. This one. Bully. Okay, what is that? That is? No, no. Okay, this one. And have you experienced bullying or have you bullied by someone? Like someone um tried to um Make you uncomfortable. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Okay. So, this one, let's just skip this one. So let's answer again. Teacher will explain. Um, have you done something that makes your parents unhappy? And for example, have you lost something? Lost? Like for example, you lost something in your house, and then your parents got angry, got unhappy. Have you experienced it? Not yet. Okay, take your time. Take your time to think. Okay, do you know what is this meaning? The meaning of make someone feel unhappy. Can you understand this? Mm-hmm. No, not no, no.
Yes.
Okay, what is this? Make someone feel unhappy. Can you explain it? Can you give an example? Okay, a teacher will give you an example and okay, listen to teacher, okay? Okay. So, I experienced that I lost something important which made my mom feel unhappy. Again, I lost something important which made my mom feel unhappy. So that is my experience. How about you, Anne? What did you experience that makes your mom unhappy? What did you do? Mm, go on. What makes your mom unhappy that you've done on the past in the past? Okay, just answer this one. Have you lost something? Do you know what is lost? This word? Okay. Do you know what is this? Lost? And okay, can you read the word? Read the word. Lost.
Lost.
Okay. Do you know what is this? Loss? No? Yes or no?
No.
Oh, so you don't know what is loss. For example, a teacher will show you example what is loss. Loss is, for example, I have now, this time I have the watch, but on the next day I don't have the watch because it's lost. Okay, do you understand now? Again, today I have the watch.
Yes.
Okay, I have the watch today. And then on the next day, I lost it. And then I don't have the watch. Okay, can you now understand what is lost? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
do you lost something? Do you lost something important? Can you share it to
No.
teacher? Okay. No, you don't have. I'm so sorry. You don't lost anything from your house? No?
Yes.
I see, I see. Okay. Okay. So enough for this. Okay, we will learn that one later. Okay. Now this one, let's read.
They are heading to school.
Okay, school.
School.
Okay, do you know what's this? Heading to. Based on,
Heading
yeah, based on the picture. What are the students
to.
doing? Yeah, they are,
They are heading to school.
yeah. What is heading to? Like they are? Okay, where is the correct answer here? Is it go to or live? Okay, put the check. Go to or live? What does head
Go
to?
to.
Okay, very good. So the answer is go to. Okay, now when you go to school and when you go to school, does your friend go with you to school? Like this?
No.
Ah, okay. So your parents will bring you to school. Will take you to school.
Yes.
Ah, I see, I see. Okay. So we're gonna talk about now. What is this again? This is
Nose.
okay, nouns. Now nouns is okay, is mhm, is a name of a person, things, place, or ideas. Okay, so that is a noun. So we have here again, and when we say noun, it's a name. Okay, for example, on a person. For example, I am Doyan. Okay, so Doyan, that is a name of a person, which is a noun. Okay, so can you give an example of a person? Yen, and name of a person, name. Like girl, boy, like that. Okay, can you give me one example? Person, like this one. It's a boy, so it's a person. So can you think of another term which is a person?
Um, my
My,
dad.
mother. Mother, mother, this one. This is your example. Mother. That is your answer. Mother. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. What else? What else? Aside from mother, name another person or say another person.
Grandma.
Okay, very good. Grandma. What else? Okay, okay, that's enough. It's enough. How about let's go here. Place. Okay, where do you think it is? This one. It is a
Is it is a classroom.
okay, classroom. So classroom and is a place. Now, can you make another example of a place? Place.
Playground.
Okay, very good. Playground. Okay, good job. And playground. Now, this time, let's move on. A thing. Okay, thing. Now, can you think of another thing aside of this? What is this? This is a, what's
Is
this?
it a book?
Okay, now, can you think or give another type of thing?
Pens.
Again?
Pen.
Okay, very good. Pen. Okay, so you understand now what is noun. Again, and noun is a name of a person. So you have there your example, mother and grandma. Also, we have is a name of a place. You have there examples, classroom and playground, and it's a name of a thing. So we have an example here, the book and a pen. Okay, very good, Anne. So since it's already time, so that will be our end for lesson for today. So since you did a great job, and teacher will give you this. Okay, wait a minute.
Is seven.
100! Good job, and see you on our next class.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye bye!